Go sit in the shade.
I think most of these are pine siskins. They're coming in to the water right there. Oh.
That's so.
You silly. We saw some mountain bluebird females too with them. Oh, there they go over to the serviceberry. They're eating the dried serviceberries. They want to come into the water, but the chickens keep chasing them off. Where'd the chicken go? There's one. Oh, there's the rooster that the coyote took some of his tail feathers. Thankfully, we don't have to worry about that anymore. I wish they were clearer. I wish you could see them other than just the silhouette. But every time they come down to the water, the chickens chase them off. Silly things. Oh, here we've got one working its way down. 2. Hi, Calypso. What you doing? You good girl. There's another one. But they're not going to come down now. They're waiting though. They're just like, come on, we're thirsty. Oh, look who's coming in.